Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm here today to do a coffee and a classic unboxing. This is a monthly subscription box. I've got my notes right here in case you're wondering why I keep looking down. Here's what it looks like. All right, so this first item, oh, it's a Bath Fizzy. Lizzie Borden Bath Bomb. And here's what it looks like. Three pairs, one axe. It's a Lizzie kind of day. Oh my gosh. I love this. It's a little journal. It's got a bookmark in it. And then it's also got one of these little elastic things here that you can put over to keep it closed. And it's got some little elastic on the side that you can put a pen or a pencil in. I love this. Isn't that cute? And the pages in here are lined. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm already in love and I haven't even got through the box yet. Okay, so in the box, there's just this paper stuff, filler, which is nice because I've just been throwing it all into one bag and I figured I would reuse it at Christmas or for some other boxes, gifts or whatever that I want to give away. What is this? It's a little um, jewelry bag, a little velvet jewelry bag. What's in here? Oh my gosh. Look at the bookmark. Guys, seriously. Is that not amazing? Look at that. It's an axe, and then on the other hand, it's some handcuffs. I love this. Oh, this alone makes the whole box worth it, if I'm honest. Look at that. Hands down, best bookmark ever. So then there's some tea in here. 40 wax tea, spiced pear. Ooh, yummy, spiced pear. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. This is, I'll try to show you here. It's the large tea that you want to put in one of those little tea thingies. A strainer. That's what it's called. Luckily, I have a bunch of them because I love tea. Basically, I drink water, coffee, tea, and that's it. So, I'm really happy about that. And then, the book. It's The Borden Murders, Lizzie Borden and the Trial of the Century by Sarah Miller. It says, like a historical version of Law and Order, the book chronologically reviews and defines the case in lively prose. The New York Times. I'm so excited. I am very easily amused, apparently, but so yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. It's got pictures in it, and then the whole story of the Lizzie Borden murders, excuse me. And just in case you're wondering, here's what the book looks like inside. Let's see what the bookmark looks like in the book. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? Aside from just finding the whole story fascinating, I'm a big Halloween person. I love murder mysteries. I love IDTV and a bunch of the different shows on there. So I'm personally pretty into this anyway, but to add to it, as many of you probably know by now if you've been watching my channel, I'm really into genealogy and a little bit of fun trivia about me. It appears that I might be very distantly related to Lizzie Borden, which for some reason to somebody like me is pretty cool. I don't know, I haven't found out for sure if I'm related to her, but I am related to other Bordens who happen to live pretty close to there. Kind of neat. Okay, and then here's the card that came with this. It says tea, white pear and spiced green tea. Oh, yummy. With cinnamon from Adagio Teas. The bookish item was the Lizzie Borden bath bomb. Let me get it out of the box for you here. They have an axe at the top. It broke off, but still, isn't that cute? Lizzie Borden bath bomb from, it's at Deash, D-E-A-S-H, oh, I'm sorry, D-E-A-S Holiday Hut on Etsy. Ooh, that smells good. What does that smell like? I don't know. It smells like a metaphysical store. Something natural. Anyway, it smells really good. Okay, then the bookmark, handmade metal chain bookmark from C&AC, which is Coffee and a Classic. Good job on those, by the way. And the Heathered Journal from Coffee and a Classic. That was a great box. Really great box. And I don't know if you saw my box from last month, but that was a really good box too. And I'm just really excited and happy that I joined Coffee and a Classic. I just wanted to let you know there's nothing in this for me at all. Okay, I don't get a free box or free money or anything for telling you about these boxes. I just happen to love them and I want to share them with you guys. If you're interested in subscribing, go to coffeeandaclassic.com. How it works is you pay, I think it's usually the last day of the month or maybe a day or two before that day, but somewhere between the 28th and the 31st, they'll take the money out of your account and then the box arrives. Usually my boxes have arrived around like the 25th or 26th. So when you do pay for the box, it is just over 3 weeks before you get the box. I think they ship it 3 weeks after. All right, so what I have is the Starter Classic sub that has a classic book, and then you get coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. You get to pick which one. Then you get 2 bookish items and a bookmark. And then you also get a book. Now you can pick from classical literature, classical nonfiction, or children's classic. And so for that one, it's $29.99 a month. And that's the one that I have. Now, I don't know if it's in every state, but for me personally, I do have to pay shipping and handling additionally. And so for me, my box equals $37 a month. Now you can also get the standard classic sub, which comes with the same items I just mentioned, but you also get something to snack on and a mug and a photo box, like a nice photo box that everything is packaged in. And that is $40.99 a month plus shipping and handling. So when you think about how much a mug, a nice photo box, and something to snack on would cost, I think that's worth the money too. The other nice thing about this box is that you get to pick from month to month what you want to have in your next box. Each month, when they right around when they send these books out, they will, I think it's on Instagram that I usually find out. I follow them on Instagram as well. And on there, they will say what the 3 books for the next month are right around the time they ship these. That's when I go onto the website and I pick, make sure that I have what I want in there. And if what I got in the previous box isn't what I want in the next box, then I'll tell them. So my first box was classical literature, and then my second book box was classic nonfiction. For next month, I'm going back to classical literature. Also, my first box was coffee that I selected, and my second box, which is this one, obviously I selected tea. Now in next month's box, there's another option where you can click on surprise me, and that's what I selected for that box. Next month, towards the end of the month, I'll be doing another one of these videos. Actually, I guess this month at the end of the month. This actually came on September 27th, but I went out of town, as you guys know. At the end of this month, or the very beginning of November, you'll see a video of the next box, which I'm super excited about. Absolutely love these. I really am excited about, I've got this bucket list in my head. I don't believe in New Year's resolutions. I believe in trying to do what I want to do all the time. And so I have a bucket list, and one of them is I want to read a bunch of the classics. So that's why I joined this subscription, because I absolutely love the few classics I have read. I'm going to be getting a set of shelves and putting them right back here. And when I do, I will be, over time, filling up those shelves with these classic books that I'm ordering. So I'm really excited. It'll be my own little miniature library, which is the best you can do when you live in an apartment, right? And then I was thinking, this is the perfect gift for somebody with a child, or for a child. One of my big passions is trying to figure out how to get younger people as excited about reading as I am, or some of my friends are, especially the good old paper books, because I think now everybody's reading everything on screens, which I'm just not a fan of. But there's something so magical and beautiful about having a love of reading. And I was thinking, this box would be such a good gift for a kid who is interested in reading or loves reading. And they could get a nice children's book each month, and along with their gifts. And I think children probably get hot chocolate, and they could start their own bookshelf and get very excited each month about what book they're going to read. I might be doing a children's one eventually, just so you can see what book comes that month, but they change every month. So it depends on if it's one I want to read, but I'm sure eventually one that I really want to read will show up in there. I keep smelling this. I really like it. What smell is that? Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know down in the comment section what you thought of this box. Did you like it? Are you getting it? And also, let me know. Sorry, it's getting increasingly loud outside. Let me lean in so I can talk to you. Let me know if there's any other boxes that you want to see me open. Bye.